The Kravis Center it's an icon, it's a staple in the community. It's, through this whole process, it's been a fully functioning performing arts center.
This happens to be one of the busiest performing arts centers in the world, and it's really important to make sure that the facility stayed operational.
This job lends itself to design build because the phasing of the project was a direct result of their desire to stay open.
Kravis Center is the benefactor of the design build process because of the schedule compression. They are only impacted by one true season.
The original conversation with all of the project team was the fact that we needed to continue to operate and have our performance schedule as usual. And they really have risen to the occasion to enable us to do that.
We've done as many as 7 productions, 7 performances in one day. Obviously, they had to take a break here and there to work around our schedule, and everyone's super cooperative about it.
It was meeting with them in kind of an open dialogue as to, hey, what do you need? When are the events? And that coordination back and forth was a key to that success.
The weekly meetings have been really helpful in being able to address any construction issues or RFIs that have come up, because again, we have the whole design team in one room.
When you have one-on-one communication sitting at this table, it makes things move much quicker. The relationship is much better, and then at the same time, everyone ties in and buys in to what we're doing.
Even some of the stuff that we have on the drawings right now aren't fully vetted out. So it's important for us to sit down at these meetings to kind of give them the actual design intent.
Just rolling comments, how do we want to address this area or this transition or this scenario where this meets that.
We really truly function as a team. Excellent teamwork, excellent communication. We're all working together, we're all helping each other, cross-discipline, cross-company.
We all bring our individual expertise and characteristics to the project, but because we know each other, because we meet so often, we know each other's personalities and we know what each other's passions associated to the particular discipline is, we can work with it, and in the end, it actually makes it a better project.